Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open WhatsApp Messenger. First, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected with proper internet, Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now look for WhatsApp icon. It's a green square with a white chat bubble and a phone symbol inside it. Tap to open WhatsApp. Once you will find an icon, simply tap on it. Once the app will open and take you straight into WhatsApp home screen. If WhatsApp does not open or keep crashing, you might need to update the app, but usually one tap is all you need. If this is your first time opening WhatsApp, you may see some permission message. Tap allow for contact, notification, photo. All this makes WhatsApp work properly. If WhatsApp asks you for login, select your country code, type your phone number, tap next. WhatsApp will send you 6 digit code, enter it to continue. Once logged in, WhatsApp will open automatically when every time you tap the icon. On main screen, you will see chat tab to see all your messages, status update tab to view status post, call tab to make WhatsApp call, setting to change privacy profile and more. To open WhatsApp fast next time, move the icon to your home screen so it will always easy to find. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you next one.